Growing edible plants indoors is a rewarding and sustainable way to supplement your kitchen with fresh produce year-round. Whether you have a spacious garden or live in a small apartment, indoor gardening offers an opportunity to cultivate a variety of herbs, vegetables, and fruits within the confines of your home. Here are some edible plants that thrive indoors and tips for successful indoor gardening. 1. Herbs. Herbs are among the most popular and easiest edible plants to grow indoors. They require minimal space and can be grown on windowsills or countertops. Some common herbs suitable for indoor cultivation include basil, mint, parsley, cilantro, chives, and thyme. They add flavor to dishes and flourish in well-draining soil with ample sunlight. 2. Microgreens. Microgreens are young, tender greens harvested at an early stage of growth. They are packed with nutrients and are relatively easy to grow indoors. Popular choices for microgreens include arugula, kale, radish, and mustard greens. These can be grown in shallow trays or containers with a light potting mix and regular moisture. 3. Salad greens. Lettuce varieties such as loose leaf, romaine, and butterhead can be cultivated indoors. They thrive in containers and only require a few hours of sunlight each day. Planting a variety of salad greens ensures a continuous harvest, providing fresh and healthy additions to your meals. 4. Dwarf fruit trees. Certain fruit trees, like dwarf citrus trees, lemon, lime, or kumquat, can be grown indoors. These trees require larger pots and ample sunlight, but they can produce fruits when provided with proper care. They not only add greenery to your indoor space, but also yield fresh fruits over time. 5. Scallions and green onions. Regrowing scallions and green onions from scraps is a simple and cost-effective way to have a continuous supply of fresh greens. Place the root ends in water, and they will regenerate new growth. Snip what you need, and they will continue to grow, providing a perpetual source of flavor for your dishes. Tips for successful indoor gardening. 1. Light. Ensure your plants receive adequate sunlight. South-facing windows generally offer the most sunlight, but if natural light is insufficient, consider using grow lights to supplement their needs. 2. Containers and soil. Use well-draining containers with adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Employ high-quality potting mix to provide essential nutrients and proper aeration for the plant. 3. Watering. Maintain proper watering schedules for different plants. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot, and ensure the soil is consistently moist, but not waterlogged. 4. Temperature and humidity. Most edible plants thrive in normal room temperatures, but it's essential to provide proper humidity levels. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can help maintain the required moisture. 5. Fertilization. Regularly feed your indoor plants with a balanced fertilizer to ensure they receive necessary nutrients for healthy growth and bountiful harvests. Indoor gardening offers a convenient way to cultivate fresh and organic produce within the comfort of your home. With the right care and attention to the specific needs of each plant, you can enjoy a continuous supply of delicious and nutritious homegrown edibles throughout the year.